Palo Alto Firewall, full theory with services and features. 1. Overview. Palo Alto Networks provides next-generation firewalls, NGFWs, that go beyond traditional port/protocol inspection. They use deep packet inspection to identify and control applications, users, and content, not just IP addresses and ports. 2. Architecture and key concepts. A. Single-pass parallel processing, SP3 architecture. Single-pass, traffic is processed once per packet for all security functions, improves performance. Parallel processing, different engines, app ID, user ID, content ID work simultaneously. B. Management and data plane. Control plane, handles management, logging, reporting, e.g., WebUI CLI. Data plane, handles actual packet processing using dedicated hardware, DPUs. 3. Core features and services. A. App ID. Identifies applications regardless of port/protocol. Can identify evasive apps using encryption, tunneling, or port hopping. Used in security policy to allow /deny apps, e.g., allow Zoom, block BitTorrent. B. User ID. Maps user identities to IP addresses using integration with Active Directory, AD. LDAP. Captive portal. Enables user-based policies, e.g., allow FTP for HR only. C. Content ID. Provides threat prevention, malware, exploits, spyware, and data loss prevention. Uses signatures, heuristics, and cloud-based threat intelligence. Blocks viruses, phishing, file types, and sensitive data patterns. D. Zone-based security. Firewall uses zones, e.g., trust, untrust, DMZ. Traffic must be allowed via inter-zone policies, source zone, destination zone. 4. Security services, subscription-based. Wrench service magnifying glass tilted left description. Threat prevention blocks known threats, malware, spyware, exploits, using signatures. WildFire cloud-based zero-day threat detection using sandbox analysis. URL filtering controls access to websites using categories or custom lists. DNS security prevents domain-based threats, e.g., C2, phishing, DNS tunneling. Advanced WildFire includes ML-based static/dynamic analysis for unknown threats. IoT security identifies and secures unmanaged IoT devices. SD-WAN provides app-aware path selection for branch traffic. GlobalProtect VPN solution for secure remote access. Cortex XDR integration endpoint detection and response, EDNR, for threat correlation. Autofocus threat intelligence from Palo Alto's Unit 42 team. DLP data loss prevention for SaaS and network traffic. 5. High availability, HA. 2 firewalls in HA active/passive or active/active mode. Sync sessions, routes, and configurations. Ensures failover and redundancy without losing state/session info. 6. Deployment modes. Virtual wire, VWire, transparent inline firewall. Layer 2, firewall in bridging mode. Layer 3, firewall routes traffic, most common. Tap mode, passive traffic monitoring only. 7. Policy types. Wrench policy type globe with Meridian's purpose. Security policy allows /deny traffic based on app, user, zone, IP, etc. NAT policy translate IPs/ports, SNAT/DNAT. Decryption policy inspect SSL/TLS traffic. QoS policy bandwidth control by app/user. Policy-based forwarding override routing for specific traffic. Authentication policy force users to authenticate, e.g., captive portal. 8. Logging and monitoring. Traffic logs, show session info. Threat logs, virus, spyware, exploits. URL logs, website access. WildFire logs, detonation results. System logs, device-level events. Tools, ACC, Application Command Center, Monitor tab, CLI and Panorama. 9. Panorama, centralized management. Manages multiple firewalls from one console. Push pre- and post policies. Provides central logging, reporting, templates for consistency. 10. Other notable features. Feature description. CLI and GUI, WebUI, dual interface for configuration. Virtual firewalls, VFWs, for cloud environments, AWS, Azure, GCP. SSL decryption intercepts and inspects HTTPS traffic. Policy objects reusable objects for IPs, services, apps. Role-based access control, RBAC, admin user privileges. Scheduled reports daily/weekly automated reports. Log forwarding to external syslog/CM servers. Summary. Category key feature. Identification app ID, user ID. Protection content ID, threat prevention. Visibility ACC, logs, WildFire. Control security/NAT/decryption policies. Access GlobalProtect, SSL VPN. Management Panorama, templates. Integration SIM, LDAP, Radius, SNMP. High availability active/passive, active/active. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos on firewalls, security, and enterprise networking. Drop your questions in the comments, and let me know if you'd like a deep dive on WildFire, HA config, or GlobalProtect setup. Until next time, keep learning and stay secure.